Guys, so now that you have tested some dark posts, you would have went through the dark post training, and you've tested your ads through that, following the flow chart that you had access to on how to split test with some structure. And now you found an advertisement that is performing well. You found an advertisement that's hit your metric goals, it's hit your data goals, it's hit your your lead cost, your message cost, your comment cost goals, and you're happy with it. And you're like, heck yeah, it's the right picture, or it's the right video, and it's the right copy and the right title, because you tested those with your dark posts and you found that perfect combination now. And you're like, yes, it's working. Now let's make it a post on your page, and then you can continue on with your testing from there. Continuing on with your testing by testing the interests and the age ranges and the locations and such. Okay, guys? So in order to do that, we got to create the post. So now once you've come up with that solution, you've came up with the answer on what the perfect title was and the perfect video, or the perfect write-up and the perfect photograph that was with it. Note it down or save them somewhere, and obviously record that, and then create the post with it. Okay, so for me, I just found this one, right? So I'm gonna go onto my page and I'm gonna write a post, and I saved the story because I'm gonna show you a version of a story ad because I don't have to worry about the video loading. And so I got my story and title and everything. That was the perfect one that got the best results when I was doing my testing. And it's right here. So I'm gonna copy it. And then I'm gonna go to my page and I'm gonna paste it. Boom, just like that. Obviously go through and proofread it again, just in case. Don't make any massive changes. Just make sure it's spaced out properly, and if you catch the odd maybe spelling error or whatever, you can do a little tweak like that. I'm anal like that. And then from there, you're gonna find the photo that worked the best. Now my computer, because I've done like 4 videos. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna say out of all of the 4 that I tested, because I tested say these 4 pictures, this one got the best results. Okay. So I'm gonna create the post with that because this is the best combination. So I'm gonna do that, and it's gonna load. Now, if this was a conversion, ad, where it was just simple conversion to website, and the link was in here or whatever, then just create it like that and share now. You can also be doing this from your cell phone, because you're gonna know through your data that there was this picture and this write-up, so you can create the post from there as well, and then you post it. Okay, that's it. And then you're gonna go into your ads manager and create the advertisement through there again, like you would have learned in Facebook's Ad Mastery. But instead of creating a dark post like you would have been doing to find this perfect post and advertisement or video, you're gonna go into use existing. So that's going to be at the ad level, and I'll show you in a second. Okay, and then you're just going to use it from there. Now, if you were testing through conversions to messenger style advertisements, so instead of going to the landing page, you were sending them to your Facebook Messenger, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to click here, or on your phone there will be a spot that you can do it as well, and you go get messages. So what it's going to do is it's going to include a button on this post, so you can access it later. Okay, and then you'll just go share now. Okay, and you'll post it. Now, I already did this earlier, and I'll show you. And there it is, and I posted it. So now once it was posted, there's 2 things that you can do. If it's a conversions to the website, okay guys, if it's a conversions to the website, then all you're gonna do is you're gonna go into here, you're gonna create that campaign, you're gonna go conversions, name it properly. I'm just going to fly through this quickly. So you'll name it properly. You're going to, if it's conversions to website, you're going to put in your event that you want to happen, which is most likely leads. You're going to pick that same targeting that was winning with the dark post, and the same placements and everything, and the budget and everything. You're going to go continue. And then you're going to go use existing post. Okay, guys? And then from there, you can select the post. Okay? I can't use this one because I put too many characters in it apparently for a conversion style. So if it was a conversion style, then it would have been this one, right, or whatever. It wouldn't have allowed me to post it. Because this one I did, it was actually a conversions to Messenger, so it's a bit different. Okay, so then you're gonna select the post that you just posted if it's a conversion to the website, and you'll select it. So I'll just select one just so you see, just like what you would have learned in Ads Mastery. Okay, guys? And then you make sure your pixel's on and you go and give her. Okay, now if it was a conversions to Messenger, pay attention. There's two ways that you can do this now. So Facebook is still catching up, and they're not allowing us in the back office of Ads Manager to use an existing post yet. It's weird. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. It's like this little glitch that they must be working out. So in order for me to do that and have it a post and turn it into conversions to Messenger and be building my social proof like I just did on this one, and see now it's starting to build a little bit of social proof, I would click boost. Okay, and then from there it would bring this up, and then of course it's going to give you the options here: engagements or messages. Well, if it's a conversions to Messenger, I want to get people to message me, right? So I'm going to make sure that's picked, and then I'm going to pick the same targeting that I would have had. So I'll have to make sure that I got the right ad account in there, okay, to make sure I found my audience. And there's the targeting that I had before. And then from there, in here, because I already did it on this one, in here it would ask you about the button. Okay, I already got the button implanted on here, but it'll ask you about the button in just around this area. So you pick your button. And then if you're going to do $5 a day, then set it up. You can't do a lifetime in here as well, because like I said, they're still catching up with some stuff. So then if it was June 16th today, then I could go to July 16th, and then I could put $150. So that would work out to be $5 a day. Okay, and then it runs, and then if I don't like how it's performing, I can always shut it off. You don't have to spend that $150. Okay, guys? So once you get that set up, obviously make sure your pixel's on. Then you'll click boost, and you're good to go. So that's how you're gonna create a post and turn that post in a conversions to Messenger style advertisement after you've built your dark posts and you've tested your pictures or you've tested your videos or whatever you followed with your flow chart to find the best combination. Now you have that best combination, you post it on your page, so now you can build some social proof with it and be running the exact same style of campaign, but building that social proof, because social proof is amazing, because more people see the likes and comments, the more they go, oh man, everyone, like, look, this guy's really important, or this girl's really important. You get where I'm going. So I hope that's clear for you guys. That's how you're going to take your tested dark posts with your best combination and make it a post to your page, and then create a promotion or an advertisement from that. Okay, guys? So love and appreciate all of you, and I hope that was clear. If there's any confusion with that, make sure you reach out to your upline and find somebody that's done these style of ads before. And if we see something that's commonly confusing, then I'll make sure that I note it and reshoot. And then when Facebook gets their ass in gear and updates everything and gets better, we'll do another one and we'll reshoot it. So I hope that's clear for you guys, and make sure that you watch that big training that we shot as well. We'll make sure that all of this stuff is together. Tons of value. If you're just getting started, just absorb it. Don't get overwhelmed. There's going to be some great things happening in the future. So it's a matter of submerging yourself and just soaking it in, because it all comes in consciously, subconsciously. If you've been doing this for a while, let's crush this. This is going to be the new way to really run ads and test properly. So I'm super, super stoked that you guys are going to be utilizing this. Yeah, let's crush this year out, guys. Peace out. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.